If you're looking to streamline your transactions with SuiteDash by adding multiple payment gateways, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll show you how to integrate those gateways so you can make payments smoother and more flexible. Stick around till the end because I'll also share some amazing alternatives that might suit your needs even better. Let's dive right in. First off, why should you bother with multiple payment gateways in SuiteDash? The main reason is flexibility. When you're working with clients from different regions, or you just want to offer more payment options, having a variety of gateways helps prevent payment issues, improves conversion rates, and makes transactions easier for everyone. Now, let's talk about how you can set this up. The first thing you need to do is head over to the SuiteDash admin panel. Once you're in, you'll want to go to the Payments section in your settings. This is where you'll manage everything related to transactions. It's a simple process, but make sure to have your API keys or login details for the payment providers you want to add. Next thing, you'll see an option to add new gateway. SuiteDash supports several popular gateways, including Stripe, PayPal, and Authorize.net. If you're not familiar with these, don't worry, each one is designed to offer a secure and smooth payment experience. Just pick the one you want to add, and SuiteDash will prompt you to enter some required information. For example, with Stripe, you'll need to connect your Stripe account to SuiteDash through an API key. This ensures everything works seamlessly. The fourth thing, once you've added the first payment gateway, you'll be able to repeat the process for any additional gateways you want to include. You can mix and match different providers, so clients can choose their preferred method. For example, if you use PayPal for international clients and Stripe for local payments, SuiteDash allows this flexibility without any hassle. Another key point to remember is customization. After you've added your payment gateways, SuiteDash gives you the ability to set up rules and preferences for each gateway. You can choose which one is the default option, or even offer special discounts or incentives for customers using specific payment methods. Now, what if you run into any issues? Don't worry. SuiteDash's customer support is fairly responsive, but it's always good to check the settings and make sure that everything is configured correctly. Double-check your API keys and ensure that the right permissions are set up for each payment gateway to avoid delays. But here's the thing. While SuiteDash is powerful, it's not always the easiest tool to manage, especially if you're not familiar with payment integrations. For those looking for something more intuitive, or with better overall support for payment options, there are some solid alternatives out there. We've got an exclusive extended free trial of SuiteDash available through our link, which includes all the integrations I just showed you. But here's the kicker. We've also found that alternatives like Honeybook and Dubsado offer similar functionality with more user-friendly setups and more diverse payment gateway support, especially for service-based businesses. So, if you're looking for a more streamlined setup that fits your specific needs, you might want to explore these options too. Both come with their own free trials, so you can try them out risk-free. In the end, it all depends on what you're looking for, whether it's SuiteDash or one of these alternatives. Just remember that flexibility and ease of use should be at the core of any payment gateway solution. And that's all for today. Check the description below for the best free trial links and exclusive benefits to help you with your payment gateway setup.